Reduce is a powerful function that helps you repeat an operation on multiple values. Now the official definition might sound confusing at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, it'll click perfectly. The reduce function actually builds on the lambda function. And if you aren't familiar, I have my lambda playlist linked in the description below. In fact, I'll use the same example from my recursive lambda video so that you can compare which one of the approaches feel more natural to you. So let's see how reduce makes things simpler. We have these phrases here. The numbers are written in English and we need to convert them into their Greek equivalent. But let's understand reduce first. Reduce takes three parameters. The first one is the initial value. This is the value we begin with. Next is array. This is the array to be reduced. The third parameter is called function. This is where we write the lambda. In this example, we will convert these phrases into an array and then replace each English word with a Greek one. Let's write the formula. Reduce. The initial value will be a blank, as we will begin with a blank and append the Greek word to the array. Therefore, we will write a pair of double quotes with nothing in it. Next parameter is the array. To convert these phrases into an array, we can use the TEXTSPLIT function. TEXTSPLIT. Text is the value in the cell A2 and column delimiter is the dash character. Close the TEXTSPLIT function. Let's move to the final parameter function. We will write the lambda here. I will define two parameters here. Passkey and word. Passkey is the text in Greek that we will build. The parameter word is the word in English which we will change to Greek. Now let's define the calculation. For the first English word in the phrase, we need to just replace the English word with the Greek word. But for the next three words, we need to append those. So for the first word, we will check that condition using if passkey is blank, which means there is nothing in the passkey so far, or the first word, then we will use an XLOOKUP for the current word. Therefore, the lookup value is word. Search in the lookup array A9 to A17. Fix the reference and replace the value that exists in the return array B9 to B17. Fix the reference. Now let's move to the value if false of the if condition. This means it is not the first English word but the second, third or the fourth one. Then we need to again write the same XLOOKUP but we append to the existing content of the passkey. Therefore we will write passkey followed by an ampersand. We will write a dash here. As we had removed them using the TEXTSPLIT function, another ampersand, and then rewrite the same XLOOKUP function. Close the bracket for if, lambda and reduce. And we get the answer. We can copy it to other rows too and get the answer there too. You can download the practice file using the link in the description and try this out. And do let me know in the comments if you find it easier to do this using reduce or the recursive lambda variation. That's it for this video. And if you'd like to learn more about Excel and Power BI, consider subscribing our channel Analytics Success. Thanks for watching.